It is going to be a big show of strength. Any time now from that gate, I would like to show you Rahul Gandhi could enter, and of course the other Congress leaders could enter from that gate any moment now. And there are, of course, there's a huge queue that has been made for Karyakartas to welcome him. He could be here any moment, but of course there are a lot of supporters, especially female supporters of Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party here. आपका नाम दीदी?
नीतू देवी।
नीतू जी, आप किसके लिए आई हैं यहाँ पर?
राहुल गांधी के लिए।
क्या 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 राहुल गांधी यहाँ पे गांधी परिवार का रायबरेली से रिश्ता है?
जी भाई,
क्या रिश्ता है?
बहुत रिश्ता, भाई बहन का रिश्ता है। हमने अपनी सरेनी साइड पे बहुत प्रचार किया है कि देना जिसको और पंजा में वोट देना हमें। तो
बहुत so you can see over there. I think Rahul Gandhi has arrived here. It seems that Rahul Gandhi has arrived here. Of course, it looks like he's entering from there. Yeah, his car. A car has arrived here. Rahul Gandhi and of course other Congress leaders. It seems like they have arrived. You know, they were at the Fursatganj airport. They were at the Fursatganj airport. From there, of course, you know, Priyanka Gandhi went to Amethi, and from Priyanka Gandhi went to Amethi, and Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi along with other leaders came to Raebareli. Now all of them have come to the Congress office in Raebareli. You can see over there all the leaders are coming here, and you can see, of course, a lot of people, lot of supporters are ready here to welcome him. There is, of course, other Congress leaders as well, like Aradhana Mona Mishra, Supriya Sheenet, all of them here to welcome him, and Priyanka Gandhi will be also joining from here. The roadshow will start. Nomination, after the nomination from here, the roadshow will start, and the roadshow will go on. It will be a long roadshow, but you can see around me a lot of supporters. You can see around me a lot of supporters. Hundreds and hundreds of supporters have gathered at Raebareli for Rahul Gandhi's nomination, and from Amethi it is of course KL Sharma who is fighting the elections against Smriti Irani. In Raebareli it is Rahul Gandhi versus Dinesh Pratap Singh. I have with me one worker here. आपका नाम भैया?
वीरेंद्र कुमार यादव।
आप तो समाजवादी पार्टी से हैं, लाल टोपी लगी
जी।
इंडिया गठबंधन में यहाँ पे अपनी मौजूदगी दिखा रहा है समाजवादी पार्टी भी कांग्रेस के साथ?
जी नहीं, समाजवादी पार्टी और कांग्रेस के गठबंधन है, और हमारे अखिलेश यादव, आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी का नेतृत्व है कि आप जहाँ गठबंधन है आप वहाँ कांग्रेस की मदद कीजिए।
यहाँ पे तो आप मदद कर रहे हैं
जी।
अभी आप रोड शो में भी हिस्सा लेंगे, क्या कहना है आपको राहुल गांधी को लेकर रायबरेली में?
राहुल गांधी यहाँ के सांसद होंगे, और पिछड़े दलित अल्पसंख्यक सर्व समाज को लेके वो हमारे लोगों की बात दिल्ली में रखेंगे।
पर यहाँ के लोग तो प्रियंका गांधी को चाह रहे थे ज्यादा।
वो कांग्रेस का पर्सनल मामला है, उस पर हम नहीं कुछ कह सकते, वो उनकी पार्टी का मामला है। जो भी कांग्रेस से यहाँ आता हम लोग उनकी मदद करते हैं।
चलिए, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू अगेन, you know, so many people have gathered here. Of course, Rahul Gandhi has arrived, and you can see over there he will be entering inside the office. The workers are of course here to welcome him, and this is somewhat is going to be a show of strength, because Ashok Gehlot, Mallikarjun Kharge, all of them. Sonia Gandhi has arrived. In fact, it seems like Sonia Gandhi has arrived. Kharge has arrived. Sonia Gandhi and Kharge. Rahul Gandhi could also be here any moment. That's the car over there. You can see they will be entering the car. They will be entering the election office any time soon. These are the scenes here at the Congress office, and there will be a show of strength, of course, a big road show. Remember, in 2019, it was Sonia Gandhi who fought the election. Then she decided that she will be stepping down from the Lok Sabha fight. She will not be contesting the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. That is what Sonia Gandhi said. And there was, of course, a huge conundrum over who will be taking up the Raebareli seat. One was, of course, expecting it to be Priyanka Gandhi, the daughter of Sonia Gandhi. She had been campaigning very aggressively in different parts of Uttar Pradesh as well. She had been campaigning in different parts of Uttar Pradesh as well. So one was expecting Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi to be fighting from here. But there was, in the last few days, we saw this whole saga of who will be contesting from where, whether it is going to be whether it's going to be Priyanka Gandhi from Raebareli and Rahul Gandhi from Amethi, or vice versa. But it was a surprise, or rather not a surprise, when it was decided that KL Sharma will be contesting, and Priyanka Gandhi is not entering the poll battle herself. So, of course, now Rahul Gandhi here at Amethi. There is, of course, excitement for them. The Gandhi surname matters. It has been a Gandhi bastion for a long time. And of course, you can see the cars moving out, and It has been a Gandhi bastion for a long time. But if I talk about Dinesh Pratap Singh, he in 2019 he lost by a margin of 1.67 lakh votes. He lost by a margin of 1.67 lakh votes. But that was a huge increase in the number of votes. That's why Dinesh Pratap Singh has been given the responsibility to fight once again against the Congress. But I'm sorry, I would like to show you the scenes over here. You can see there's the car, and I see Mallikarjun Kharge over there. I see Mallikarjun Kharge over there, and of course other tall senior Congress leader as well. Of course Sonia Gandhi also arrived, and you can see over there in the car it's Mallikarjun Kharge who has come here, and of course is showing the solidarity. You can see over there this is the car over here of Mallikarjun Kharge. These are the scenes right outside the Congress office in Rai Bareli. From here a big show of strength. From here a big show of strength will be held, and you can see over there Sonia Gandhi also there at her home. It is the Sonia, it is the Gandhi surname that matters. It is the Gandhi surname that matters to them. Mallikarjun Kharge, you can see over there. There is of course Aradhna Mona Mishra as well, daughter of Prabodh Tiwari, and lone MLA from the Congress in Uttar Pradesh. But these are the scenes outside the Congress office. There's of course a lot of media, of course a lot of supporters here. There is Mallikarjun Kharge. He was expected to join. I think his flight got a little delayed, but he will be now going. He will be now going to in the roadshow, of course, showing solidarity and support to Rahul Gandhi. These are the scenes right outside the Congress office. You can see over there that the car is trying to move out. The car is trying to move out. There is of course Sonia Gandhi also present inside the car. There is also of course Mallikarjun Kharge. There is KC Venugopal inside over there. Rahul Gandhi might also be here any moment now. But of course a lot of tall senior leaders. It will be a show of strength because Rai Bareli has been a home turf. They will try to keep it as their home turf, but Dinesh Pratap Singh is contesting against the BJP. Sonia Gandhi has been a member of parliament from here thrice. Before that, Amethi, Sonia Gandhi first fought her very first elections in 1999 from Amethi. It is said that for the central leadership to shift, one fights from Amethi and then moves to Rai Bareli. But this time the BJP is also will be playing out the narrative that the Congress party or Rahul Gandhi did get scared of fighting from Amethi and then moved to Rai Bareli. And it is the KL Sharma, the close Gandhi family confidant, the Gandhi family confidant, a loyalist who had been, the point person of the Gandhi family for the affairs of Amethi and Rai Bareli. He will be fighting. It is a foot soldier who has been given responsibility now. But how much of it can it convert to votes? Because we must not forget the Gandhi surname still carries a lot of weight in the districts of Amethi and Rai Bareli. Yes, over to you.